This is a quick review and a shooting video of my bull barrel stainless 5.56 upper from Custom Build Arms. I bought this a couple of months ago. We just moved to North Carolina and I've just got my range set up, so I was just able to get the optics on it. So I wanted to take a second and show it to you, and then I've got some footage of shooting it. The upper is 5.56 223 from Custom Build Arms. It's called the Extreme Tactical 16-inch bull barrel stainless. I'm not big into the extreme tactical thing, but I really wanted a bull barrel upper for varmint hunting and for getting some more distance. I have a fun upper that's a lot of fun to shoot, and you know, it's fun, but you're not doing much beyond 75 yards with it very accurately. So this really gets out there, and I got to say, when I shot it, it was striking as you pull the trigger and see the hole appear where the red dot was. That's pretty cool. I've got my lower is actually I've been using this for a while. It's Surplus Arms and Ammo. You can find them on the internet. I've got a good buddy of mine that I used to work with, works there, and runs one of the shops. They're out of Tacoma, Washington, and they make really good stuff at a really decent price. Let's see, the optic is something I've been really looking for a good home for, and I think I've found it. This is a Mueller Speed Shot. It's 1:4 by 24. It has an illuminated reticle, which is really nice. It's red dot with some magnification. If you're looking to get out 100 yards, 1:4 is plenty. So that's what I've got mounted here. So let me just go ahead and we'll slap it together. And there it is. One of the upgrades I've done that I actually did along with buying this upper was put in a WMD nickel boron bolt carrier group. I find that with a new upper, you got to shoot it 7 or 8 times before these pins really want to obey you when you go after it with your finger. So I just keep a bunch around. Boy, really tight. So that's you can see I actually am filming the tabletop after I've shot it. This is ready for a little cleaning, although made of nickel boron. They say you don't really need to clean it, but it does need to get wiped down. I'll be adding some oil to it because you can see that's pretty nasty. And to be honest, I've got probably 300 or 400 rounds through it like that. So. You see how tight this upper is, boy, man. Oh, there you go. There's the other side of it. It makes the gun heavy, which is to be expected when you're shooting a bull barrel. But man, what it does to your accuracy is amazing. This upper was. It's incredibly well made. The craftsmanship is terrific. The aluminum handguard is perfect for what I'm doing with it. You know, the price, I'll put a link in the description of the video, but the price was fantastic for a bull barrel upper. Very, very pleased. So have fun watching me shoot it, and hope you enjoy the video.